I was just trying to get some miles on this over by my mother's, and there's a pond down there, but I brought my video camera. I went back to her house. I got the video camera because I wanted to show you what I was talking about on those pipes. See, here's a sprinkler pipe. This is the low irrigation, drip irrigation system. And see, this is the end of a line. See what they did? They just bent over the end, and then they took like a coupling, and see, it just comes right off. That's been sitting there for years. See there? Looks like, you know what that is? I thought it was a coupling. All it is like Schedule 40 PVC pipe, and they probably heated it up and bent it a little bit, you know, with their pliers or something. And then they took this is that hose. There's even water in it because we're at the end of the line. And they bent it over and slipped this on there. Just like that. That's been sitting there for a long time. And there it sits, just like that, because nobody generally messes with that. Okay, here's another one. I just want to show you. See, there's another one there. Now this time they had Schedule 40 or 80. It used to be gray pipe. And see, they didn't bend it at all, did they? They just pushed it on there after they flattened that down. See, here's the end of it. And then they didn't have to get those special things. Look at that, my word. What kind of landscaper leaves their pipes like that? Here's another one over here. So see, that's how you could do it too. If you don't have those ends, you don't have to spend $2 for the ends. You could just take a little piece of PVC pipe, smash it over like that, and slip that little pipe on there. That's not even a coupling. That's just some spare PVC pipe that you have laying around that you don't need on your project anymore. And you can do it for free. Onward, JoJo. Well, the sun is about to set, and look what I see. It's my little beady eyes. Mr. Rascally Rabbit. Yeah, that's a little jackrabbit. I call him Jack. And I see some more of his friends out here too. There's one. See him? Ooh. I'm having a hard time holding it still because I don't have a tripod with me. And here's the pond by my mother's. I come out here lots just to sit. Nice solitude, listen to the birds. Here's a little baby goose, Canadian geese. There's its mama, and there's Papa over there. He's watching out for trouble. See him? He's very astute with that. And I've been checking these guys out, a couple times a week. Usually they might have 5 or 6 babies, and maybe they had more than just the one baby. But there's coyotes around here. There's also weasels and hawks. Anything for little babies. You know, when this guy was really small, they can't run anywhere. If they're not anywhere close to water, they're toast. They're a meal for somebody. Okay, so they ended up with just one, but they're very fortunate with that, and they spend their days raising their little babe. Aww. Ooh, there's an egret. There's an egret way out there. See him? Right there. Oh yeah. That's one big bird. He's on the prowl. His long beak. Okay. And sometimes I'll even see Mr. Beaver out here. And I've shown a few nature videos in the past. That's not what this is about. I basically wanted to show you about those irrigation sprinkler ends and wish you a good night.